Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin my speech by saying that I'm here tonight to show my full support for CASIS.
Yes, we have the chair of Syed Naquib al-Attas Islamic thought, and the first holder will be his name, Professor Wan himself. He cannot be on a better person. He's the right person himself.
I have learned that true scholars are those who have teachers, real teachers.
I remember Prof. Naquib, he was telling me that the deeper understanding of taqwa is to be constantly aware of his presence. That even if thinking, you must be aware that you cannot be thinking of wrong things. If you do things wrongly, you quickly correct yourself.